How to fix application launch error 0xc0000135 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run SFC and DISM. SFC, System File Checker, and DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management, are two integral utilities within Windows that are designed to repair system files. SFC scans for any corrupted system files and replaces them with a cached copy, while DISM can be used to fix issues that SFC cannot. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, .NET Framework Repair Tool can detect and fix issues associated with the .NET Framework installation. .NET Framework Repair Tool can detect and fix issues associated with the .NET Framework installation.